Je me réveille.
I wake up.
I wake up. Je me lève.
I get up.
I get up. Je vais à la salle de bain.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
Je me lave le visage.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Je me brosse les dents. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Je prends une douche. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Je m'habille. I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Je me coiffe. I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
Je prépare le petit déjeuner.
I prepare breakfast.
I prepare breakfast.
Je mange le petit déjeuner.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Je bois du café. I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Je bois du lait. I drink milk.
I drink milk.
Je regarde mon téléphone. I check my phone.
I check my phone.
Je regarde l'heure. I check the time.
I check the time.
Je prépare mon sac. I prepare my bag. I prepare my bag. Je mets mes chaussures. I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
Je ferme la porte.
I close the door.
I close the door.
Je quitte la maison.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
Je marche dans la rue.
I walk in the streets. I walk in the streets.
Je prends le bus. I take the bus.
I take the bus.
Je vais à l'école. I go to school.
I go to school.
Je vais au travail. I go to work.
I go to work.
Je commence ma journée. I start my day.
I start my day.
J'entre dans la gare.
I enter the train station.
I enter the train station.
Je regarde les trains.
I look at the trains.
I look at the trains.
Je regarde les voyageurs. I look at the travelers.
I look at the travelers.
Je porte mon sac. I carry my bag.
I carry my bag.
Je marche dans la gare.
I walk in the station.
I walk in the station.
Je cherche mon train.
I look for my train.
I look for my train.
Je regarde le panneau.
I look at the boards.
I look at the boards.
Je lis mon billet.
I read my ticket.
I read my ticket.
Je vais au quai.
I go to the
I
platform.
go to the platform.
Le train arrive. The train arrives.
The train arrives.
Le train est grand.
The train is big.
The train is big.
Les portes s'ouvrent.
The doors open.
The doors open. Je monte dans le train.
I get on the train.
I get on the train. Je cherche ma place.
I look for my seat.
I look for my seat. Je pose mon sac.
I put down my
I
bag.
put down my bag. Je m'assois près de la fenêtre. I sit near the window.
I sit near the window.
Le train démarre. The train starts.
The train starts.
Je regarde dehors.
I look outside.
I look outside. Le train va vite. A train goes fast.
The train goes fast.
Je parle avec un voyageur.
I talk with a traveler.
I talk with a traveler. Je regarde mon téléphone. I check my phone.
I check my phone.
J'écoute la musique.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
Le contrôleur arrive. The ticket inspector arrives.
The ticket inspector arrive. Je montre mon billet.
I show my ticket.
I show my ticket. Le train ralentit.
The train slows down.
The train slows down.
The train s'arrête.
The train stops.
The train stops.
Je prends mon sac.
I take my bag.
I Je me réveille, I wake up.
I wake up.
Je me lève, I get up.
I get up.
Je vais à la salle de bain.
I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom.
Je me lave le visage, I wash my face.
I wash my face.
Je me brosse les dents, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Je prends une douche, I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Je m'habille, I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Je me coiffe, I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
Je prépare le petit déjeuner.
I prepare breakfast.
I prepare breakfast. Je mange le petit déjeuner.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Je bois du café. I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Je bois du lait.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.
Je regarde mon téléphone.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
Je regarde l'heure.
I check the time.
I check the time.
Je prépare mon sac.
I prepare my bag.
I prepare my bag.
Je mets mes chaussures.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
Je ferme la porte.
I close the door.
I close the door.
Je quitte la maison.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
Je marche dans la rue.
I walk in the street.
I walk in the street. Je prends le bus.
I take the bus.
I take the bus. Je vais à l'école.
I go to school.
I go to school. Je vais au travail. I go to work.
I go to work.
Je commence ma journée.
I start my day.
I start my day. J'entre dans la gare.
I enter the train station. I enter the train station.
Je regarde les trains.
I look at the trains.
I look at the trains. Je regarde les voyageurs.
I look at the travelers.
I look at the travelers. Je porte mon sac.
I carry my bag.
I carry my bag.
Je marche dans la gare.
I walk in the station.
I walk in the station.
Je cherche mon train.
I look for my train.
I look for my
Je
train.
regarde le panneau.
I look at the board.
I look at the boy.
Je lis mon billet. I read my ticket.
I read my ticket.
Je vais au quai. I go to the platform.
I go to the platform.
Le train arrive.
The train arrives.
The train arrive.
The train arrives.
Le train est grand.
The train is big.
The train is big. Les portes s'ouvrent. The doors open.
The doors open.
Je monte dans le train.
I get on the train.
I get on the train.
Je cherche ma place.
I look for my seat.
I look for my seat.
Je pose mon sac. I put down my bag. I put down my bag. Je m'assois près de la fenêtre.
I sit near the window.
I sit near the window. Le train démarre.
The train starts.
Je regarde dehors. I look outside.
I look outside.
Le train va vite. The train goes fast. Le train goes fast. Je parle avec un voyageur.
I talk with the traveler.
I talk with the traveler. Je regarde mon téléphone. I check my phone.
I check my phone.
J'écoute de la musique. I listen to music. I listen to music. Le contrôleur arrive.
The ticket inspector arrives.
The ticket inspector arrives. Je montre mon billet.
I show my tickets.
I show my tickets. Le train ralentit. The train slows down.
The train slows down.
Le train s'arrête. The train stops. Je prends mon sac.
I take my bag.
I take my bag.
Je dis
train. I get off the train. I get off the train.